programming is remaining. I'll
51% of the network, and they are going to decide.
Okay.
To add
Wait a minute.
block.
I'm
Okay,
sharing my screen.
मैम उसमें सेकंड प्रैक्टिकल का वो फोल्डर बना देना तो हम लोग वो सबमिट कर दें।
हाँ श्योर श्योर, अभी मैं कर देती हूँ, अभी ये देख लो पहले। सो टुडे आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस ग्रीडी अप्रोच। ओके, ये कैसे मेकिंग चेंज प्रॉब्लम वर्क करता है, एंड you have to perform this power example, right? So here it mentioned that sorry, yeah. So here you have to implement the program for find x power y using the divide and conquer strategy, and print the total number of multiplication required for this, and test the program test cases. Here this is the test cases given: 2 power 6, 7 power 7, 25, 5 power 34, and you have to mention, अगर हम 2 power 2 करेंगे, x value is 2, y value is 2, तो 2 power 2, what is the value? What? 2 power 2 4, right? 2 power 3 8. So according to, you have to maintain the program, put a counter value, check the counter value, and maintain the graph, right? Understand what I'm saying? Yes or no?
रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट कर दो।
इसमें कुछ रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट करने जैसा नहीं है. यू हैव टू परफॉर्म दिस. व्हेनेवर आई टीच यू ग्रीडी, देन आई विल स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग. अदरवाइज अननेसेसरी एक घंटे का रिकॉर्डिंग आएगा, राइट, जिसमें कुछ भी नहीं होगा, बिकॉज यू हैव टू परफॉर्म दिस, right? So whenever I teach you greedy approach, that time I start the recording.
Okay.
What I'm saying, that is clear or not? You have to just make a program regarding the power. Now how you are going to maintain the graph? Just write the counter value, just say x and y, on the basis what is the counter value, and just maintain the graph. So this is very simple. I think it requires 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes I ask you, and then I'll start greedy. You have to complete making approach today also, right? So now start working on it. 15 to 20 minute maximum for it is enough for this. Then write the done. Okay, then I'll start with greedy approach, because I know that key. Yes, one more thing, greedy approach is already done in the expert talk, so I hope you have idea about it. Okay, I'll make a folder for the another weeks. Now up to this, start working on it. Simple program banana hai, power program, right?
Yes, ma'am.
आई थिंक बाकी सबका भी हो गया होगा, यस और नो? हुआ है कि नहीं? एक्नॉलेज में फास्ट, देन अकॉर्डिंगली आई विल गो विथ इट। नेक्स्ट आपको ग्रीडी सिखाना है मुझे, चलो जल्दी बताओ। राहुल, साक्षी, ओके, रजस्का डन, गुड। वाशु, पार्थ, कुशल,
हो गया मैम।
इफ यू आर नॉट, हो गया ना? ओके, चलो फटाफट डन डन लिख दो, तो देन विल गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट। Okay, so for that, this is your problem that this is also known as making change problem, right? तो expert talk में greedy approach हो गया था, remember or not? I'm asking something. Remember a making change problem or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Only one student, बाकी सब क्या कर रहे हो? उस टाइम भी सिर्फ इरफान ने ध्यान रखा था, बाकी सब स्लीप मोड में थे, ऐसा था? क्लास में स्टार्ट हुआ है इरफान?
क्या मैम?
ग्रीडी वाला चैप्टर क्लास में स्टार्ट हो गया है?
नहीं।
नो मैम।
अब से ना जो मुझे एक्नॉलेज करेंगे ना, उसी की अटेंडेंस होगी, ठीक है? आप कितने प्रेजेंट हो दैट इज नॉट मैटर फॉर मी, जितने लोग एक्नॉलेज करेंगे अकॉर्डिंगली आई विल टेक अटेंडेंस, ओके? तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू द डेप्थ, but I will give you the basic idea about the greedy approach, and then I'll teach you the how making change is working, and then you have to understand how you can write the program for it, right? So I'll teach the idea. Now I'm started recording. Yeah. So I'll teach the idea about the greedy approach and how you can apply it. What is the idea behind the greedy approach? Okay. So you have to understand that thing. I'm not going into depth because Harshals are going to explain in the lecture. I'm sharing my screen. OneNote is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am।
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes मैम।
So we can say that about the greedy, that this is the one of strategy for the solving the problem, right? Just like divide and conquer strategy and another method, greedy is approach for the solving a particular problem. Now tell me what we are doing into the divide and conquer or divide and conquer strategy. What exactly we are doing that?
In the divide and conquer strategy, we divide the problem into set of sub problems and solve the sub problems one by one, and at the end our problem will be solved.
Correct, right? So basically we are solving such a problem, right? We're solving such a large problem, which cannot be directly solved, we can say that, right? So same, greedy is kind of the method or strategy to solving the particular problem. Or we can say that it is a design which you can adopt for solving such a similar kind of problem, right? I'm talking about similar kind of problem. Let's understand what is this method about, and this method is used for solving. Yes, basically greedy is used for solving the optimization problem. What is optimization? I'll explain you. Basically, greedy is used for the solving optimization problem. Now, optimization problem, we can say that a problem which demands or which requires either, we can say either it required minimum result or it required a maximum result, right? Yes or no? Optimization problem, that means basically greedy approach is used for the solving the optimization problem. Optimization problem, we can say that a problem which demands or which requires either minimum result or maximum result, right? अगर मैं किसी को बोल रही हूँ कि जैसे आप बाइनरी जैसे आप DE पढ़े हो, right? So वहां पे you will see that input and output which will be in the form of only 0 and 1. Right? If I'm saying that ki, you have to spend whenever you are going for a particular traveling, or we can say that let's going for the party, right? So the parents give the constraint that you have to apply the minimum money, right? You have to use minimum money. Or if the same thing, if it is about the marks or CGPA, then parents says that please opt maximum marks. Yes or no? होता है कि नहीं ऐसा? तो in the some scenario, the value which will be a minimum, and in the such a scenario, the value which will be different, that is maximum, right? So let's understand that a few terms regarding the greedy approach. Suppose assume that I have a problem P, right? And this problem is, and I take the problem as I want to travel from location A to B. What is my problem? My problem is that I want to travel from location A to B. Okay, understand? And assume that this A is the current location is Changa, right? And the another location is I want to reach at the Bombay, right? I want to travel from location A to location B. That is my problem, right? So how many possible solution for this traveling? How many possible solution for this traveling? So first solution, maybe I can say that I can travel by walking, the first solution. Second, I can use my bike. Third thing, I can travel by bus. Fourth thing, I can travel by car. Then after train, and then after flights. Yes or no? इतने possible solution हो सकते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
इतने possible हो सकते हैं? Okay.
मिक्सचर भी हो सकता है ना, मतलब थोड़ा सा वॉक, थोड़ा सा बाइक, फिर फ्लाइट ऐसा.
Yes, that is done, right? But individual, if I'm talking about that is the possible solutions, right? So now I'm putting the constraint over here that I want to complete my journey within 5 to 7 hours. Okay, मैंने constraint रखा है कि I want to complete this my journey within 5 to 7 hours. Is that possible by walking? This is my condition. क्या मैं मेरी journey? Not. So this is not solution. We can say whatever we are looking for. Using bike, is that possible?
No.
No, ma'am.
Bus, car,
Yes.
car, not possible.
Yes.
क्योंकि इतना Bombay is not इतना frequently possible, so we cancel out it. Right? Now train,
Yes.
Yes.
flights,
Yes.
definitely. So for my constraint, I have a two solution, that train and flights. Right? I have a two solution. So my problem, what is my problem? I have to travel from one location to another location. Many possible solutions are there. I'll found this much of solution, but after that I put the constraint in the problem, right? So I can say that I have covered this journey with the particular these hours, right? So this is the after putting the constraint, I have only two solution. I will take S1 and S2, which satisfy my constraint, right? So this both solution will become a feasible solution. Will become a feasible solution. Now I'm putting one more constraint, that 5 plus 5 or 7 hours and minimum cost, right? So currently I have a two solution. This solution will become the feasible solution. So now what is the meaning of feasible solution? So I can say that a solution which satisfy the condition which is given in the problem, which consider as the solution. whatever problem you have, whenever you are solving such a problem, there is some constraint, there is some condition which is given into the example also. So if there is a possible solution or multiple solutions are possible that which is satisfy the condition, यहाँ पे हमारी condition possibility कार भी कर सकती है, right? So here we can say that number of multiple possible solutions are there. So feasible solution multiple feasible solution is possible who satisfy the constraint. तो एक से ज्यादा feasible solution possible है जो हमारे constraint और condition को satisfied करता है, right? Now, if I'm saying that I want to reach at my destination with the minimum cost, तो ये दोनों में से क्या दोनों मुझे minimum cost में बॉम्बे पहुंचाएगा? Can I reach with the minimum cost using train and flights, or only train or only flights? Which will give me minimum cost? Minimum cost क्या होगा?
By train.
Only train.
Only train. Only train. Right? Now I can say that I want to cover my journey in a minimum cost, and I want to spend as much as possible less money, and then this become a minimization problem. So now only I have one solution, that I have to opt for train, because this train which will give me a minimized cost. So that is we can say that minimization problem. So as problem demand that result should be a minimum, then it will become a minimization problem, right? यहाँ पे क्या था कि minimum cost होना चाहिए, so that is will consider a minimization problem. So then out of this solution, I am reaching at particular one solution, which is provide me a minimum cost. Suppose by the train, this will give me a minimum cost. So this solution one or two, whatever, that is called as optimization solution. This is called as optimization solution. So number of feasible solution is possible, but only one optimization solution is possible. Here optimization solution, what optimization solution says that I want to use, or I want to apply only minimum cost over here. So a solution which is already feasible. क्या ये feasible था? Yes. A solution which is already feasible, okay, and that give me or that satisfy the minimization condition, or here the minimization cost, that is gives the best result. That understand, or that condition, both condition which is set given into the example, that is satisfied by this solution. So minimum is best for me in this case. So that solution called is optimal solution. Now the solution like using a train, that is optimal solution. Understand? समझ में आया? So optimal solution is only one, right? The minimum or maximum, whatever constraint you have in the given example. So only we can say that optimal solution is only one. There is a number of solution, and in that some solution which are satisfying your constraint, your condition. Okay, so number of possible solution is that. So that is considered as feasible solution. बहुत सारे solution थे, उसमें से कितने सारे solution है? 2, 3, 4, whatever count, which satisfy your condition, और उसमें से भी आपको वो minimization तक reach करना है. That is your optimal solution. Clear difference between optimal and feasible?
मैम बट ऑप्टिमाइज
Yes.
सॉल्यूशन तो हमें तभी मिला ना जब हमने एक और कंस्ट्रेंट ऐड किया.
एक
जब
और
जैसे पहले
constraint
5 to
add किया.
7 आवर्स था, बट उसमें हमने लगाया कि
Yes.
मिनिमम कॉस्ट भी होना चाहिए, तब हमें ऑप्टिमल सॉल्यूशन
Yes.
मिला.
yes, so that is minimization problem. 5 to 7 hours, अभी मैं minimum cost की बात करूंगी तो सिर्फ ट्रेन ही आएगा, right? So पहले हमें देखा कि कितनी possibilities है कि we can travel from one location to another location. फिर हमने देखा कि अगर constraint, this is just example, कि वहां पे आपका feasible solution, just this is example कि feasible solution होगा तो वो बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. आपके example में आपको ऐसा ही होगा कि you have to find the minimum cost, you have to find the minimum money, right? So that time you get the single solution, and whatever solution you will get, that is optimal solution, right? If you talk about
Okay,
the
ma'am.
perspective of example, तो तब वो होगा.
Okay मैम.
Yeah. So we can say that a greedy method is used for the optimization problem, because as the name suggested, it is very greedy for anything. If it is cost, so it must be that minimum cost. If it is benefit, so it must be a maximum, right? तो greedy हर चीज में greedy approach follow कर रहा है. So that is basically work with the optimization problem. जिसका भी optimization problem होगा, उसके साथ greedy strategy we can apply it, right? So but approach is different and different strategy for that and different parts for that solving this, right? So in the first, I'm not going into depth. Sir is going to explain everything in detail. Now I'll directly move to the first practical, which is your making change problem, right? So making change क्या है, let's see. उसकी थियरी में एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रही हूँ आपको, डायरेक्ट प्रॉब्लम दिखा दे रही हूँ. Assume that कि I have some coin, United States coin, which will be demonstrated like 1, 5, 10, 25 and 50. This much, these are the coin list I have. Okay, and I have used to greedy algorithm to give a list amount of coins for $41. What I want, sorry, I want the total of $41. And what is the greedy algorithm says that he give the list amount of coins. Kam se kam, we have to use less coins from here, right? And will opt the total 41. Understand the problem? What making change problem says? Understand the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम एक बार रिपीट करूं पाछो.
Yes, yes, I have the coin, right? These all are the US coins in the dollar form, right? The coin which is into the dollar form. Now I want to total of $41, right? तो मैं ऐसे कौन से नंबर ऐड करूं, सॉरी कौन से कॉइन यूज करूं जो मिनिमम कॉइन यूज करके मुझे 41 टोटल मिल रहा है. अंडरस्टैंड? कितने नंबर के मैं कॉइन यूज करूं और वो क्या है कंडीशन की मिनिमम कॉइन मुझे यूज करना है, तो मुझे टोटल 41 चाहिए, राइट? गेटिंग?
यस मैम.
Okay, so let's start. What I want $41. Okay, I'm directly going into the algorithm, not going to the algorithm, like directly on the solution. Algorithm फिर class में सीख लेना. So the strategy is that I want to use less coins as per the condition, right? So 41. अगर सोचो कि if I'm using one number of coin, right? One number of coin. If I'm using $1, so how many time I have to use $1?
41 times.
41, तो ये तो बहुत सारे हो गए, so I can't opt for the one. If I'm using 5, तो भी बहुत सारे यूज करने पड़ेंगे. If I'm using 10, तो भी बहुत सारे यूज करें. So what should you do? You have to, if you want to choose best one, so for the minimum or less coin use, so you can opt always larger number of coin. So if I'm going for 50, so that is not possible because my total is 41. So मैं ये larger number वाला opt नहीं कर सकती. Then after move on to the second larger. Which one is second larger?
25.
25. Okay, so $41 and $21. Currently I have a remaining total is $16, right? Now 16 is
मैम
remaining.
$25 is there, not 21.
Okay, sorry. So total 16, right? Now I can't use 25 and I can't use 50 because there is the less amount I have. So 10 rupees, $10 coin I can use. Yes. So 16 minus 10. Currently I have 6. Now remaining 6. So now I can't use 10, 25 and 50. Now I can use 5. 5. Remaining 1. 1 minus 1. 0. So how many coins I have used?
4.
4 coins. Only using 4 coins I have a total $41. अगर मैंने ये single use किया होता 25, so that is not possible. Single, but if I'm using 10, so that is not possible. If I'm using 5 multiple times, that is not possible. 1, so that is not possible. According to my condition, this is the optimal solution that I can use the 4 coins. Right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Easy? Okay. Let's take a different way कि अगर making change में क्या issue आ सकता है. So if I have a coin number 14, 10 and 4, 10 and 25 and I want to again $41 same, but I have just changed the coin. So चलो start करते हैं. Tell me $41 क्या करेंगे हम?
25 वाला पहले.
The condition is that less coin. Okay, चलो. क्या करूं मैं बताओ? 25, 16 अब क्या करूं? बोलो
10.
अब क्या करूं?
10.
10, 6. Now what can I do?
5.
4.
5 तो है ही नहीं बेटा।
4.
Four.
4. 4. 4.
अब कुछ कर सकती हूँ मैं?
No, ma'am.
So what is remaining amount? 2. So that is not solution. This is not considerable because I want total $41 and you are not getting 41, you are getting 39. Yes or no? Yes or
Yes.
no? So what is
Yes,
another way? यहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा बोला है लेस कॉइन, पर ऐसा नहीं बोला है कि यू कैन यूज कॉइन मल्टीपल टाइम। यू कैन यूज द कॉइन मल्टीपल टाइम, एक से एक ज्यादा आप यूज कर सकते हो। सो लेट्स टेक अनदर वे फॉर दिस बिकॉज यहाँ पे we'll get 39 total and we'll get 41. So that is not solution. That is not valid. We can say that. Let's apply the another approach. 41, 25, 16. 16. I am using 4 over here. 4. So it is 12. Again, 12 minus 4, it is 8. 8 minus 4, it is 4. 4 minus 4, it is 0. See, how many coin I have used?
Total 5 coins.
Total number of coins? Total 5 coins, right? So if I'm in this case, if I'm using the maximum coin, a maximum number of coin, and for the less coin, using less coin, so here the condition is not satisfied and will not get. So we'll approach for the another solution that I have used 5 coins, right? Okay, so here we'll get the solution. This is undefinable or this is not satisfactory, and this is we use the maximum number of coin. यहाँ पे 3 है, फिर भी हमें एक एक यूज करके 5 बार करना है, तो दिस इज ऑप्टिमल सॉल्यूशन. Is this optimal solution? This is the another way for the solution, but this is not optimal solution. You can say that another way you are using, so that is feasible, right? Here, this is definitely optimal solution because minimum cost and you are not repeating the coin also, right? Understand what I'm saying? You can apply this also. That is also true. But whenever I'm talking about the optimal, so this is the best optimal solution for this example. Okay? That is true. I'm not saying that that is not true. This is wrong because you are not getting the $41. Okay? So अब आपको क्या करना है? समझ में आ गया कैसे करना है? अब आपको उसका प्रोग्राम डिफाइन करना है. You have to write the program. Here, coin demonstration and amount 5 है, $5. तो अगर आप $5 अगर 1 यूज करोगे तो कितनी बार यूज करना पड़ेगा? 5. So that is same condition whatever mentioned over here, that is you have to use less count. ऐसा ही लिखा था यहाँ पे भी. Different demonstration which is described. Okay, cashier has multiple coins available. Okay, set implement a program. Maximum number of coin, minimum number of coins, same thing. You have to use minimum number of coins. Okay, so if I'm using 2 plus 3, so I can use only 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, अगर 1 use करती हूँ तो 1 1 1 5 coins है. If I'm using 2 2 and plus 1, so that is 3. But if I'm using 2 and 3, so that is best. Getting? So let's solve it. कैसे करोगे logic? What is the logic for that? Tell me कैसे implement करोगे? I'll show you the program and code both. कैसे करोगे? Tell me. Pick up fast. You understand the problem, so how you can write the program for it? Just you want to total. Don't know? Pick up fast. Tell me how you are going to implement this. Just you have to take array. Simple, very simple.
मैम अभी तो सिर्फ
to
हम
find the
greedy
minimum.
use-
Yes.
we can just use greedy right now, or we can use dynamic programming.
No. You don't need to jump in dynamics. You just need to apply the greedy. You are greedy about your less coin. अभी आपका greedy approach क्या कह रहा है कि मुझे minimum coin use करके output चाहिए, right? So you have to use the lesser coin, minimum coin. That is your approach.
लेकिन मैम
Okay,
अभी आपने
according
जो
to the
सिनेरियो बताया कि उसमें वो फेल होता है ग्रीडी, तो उसके लिए हमको क्या करना होगा?
उसके लिए हम डायनेमिक पे जाएंगे, पर अभी डायनेमिक चैप्टर पे नहीं जंप करना है, ठीक है?
इसमें तो मतलब सिर्फ वही अप्रोच करें ना, मैक्सिमम कॉइन लेने वाला.
हाँ मिनिमम कॉइन लेना है.
मतलब मैक्सिमम वैल्यू
To
वाला.
see that what problem, yes, this same problem यहाँ पे next step problem और बहुत सारे problem है, तो उसमें जो issue हो रहा था that is solved by dynamic, but we are not going currently on the dynamic. That is totally different scenario, right? तो वो dynamic पे जाएंगे तब we'll explain on it, but currently you have to just focus on greedy approach and what your problem says that बहुत सारे हैं knapsack and all, but currently you have to use minimum coin, right? Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Dynamic हम देखेंगे. Dynamics total different approach, right? That is not based on that optimal solution. See here we have one program simple. I'll take array and all and swap in and swap out temporary लेके किया है. Now I'm just directly putting the element. We'll work on the same table. What the value I have, I think, let me check just a second. I'm opening practical file. Yeah. Okay. So what data we have? Data we have that total element. What the total value I have? That is 5.
Ma'am, 3 coins are there.
Okay, 3 coins are there. So total number of demonstrations are 3. And enter the demonstration. The value for I think 1 था पहले 1.
1, 2, and 3, ma'am.
A and C. Here the sequence for amount is 3 and 2. Right? So you can use 3 and 2 coin. Let's run again and let's check the different one. 22 वाला था ना?
Yes, ma'am. Second case was for 22.
Okay, so that is 22. Okay, sorry. 22. How many demonstrations are there? 5. 5 है. 125, 10, 5 और 1.
Ma'am, that is for third case.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं ना, थर्ड केस करते हैं, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. 125, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, ये सिर्फ डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन है. 5 और 1. C. So for the amount 22, you can use 10, 10, 1, 1. So this is your given a minimum solution. If you use using 25, so maybe there is the issue because there is no another coin and you can use 1, 1, 1. So the minimum coin which is used, that is 4. Right? 1, yes, ये थोड़ा different 289 वाला था, फिर से करते हैं. थर्ड केस और सेकंड केस मैंने मिक्स कर दिया. 22, 4, 18, अभी सही है ना? 17
Yes.
and 1. See, for the 22 you can use, see we can use 18, फिर उसके बाद 17 कोई और chances है ही नहीं. So that's why 1, 1, 1, 1. So minimum coins are 5 over here. Right? अगर आप different use करोगे तो क्या होगा? अगर 5 use करोगे तो ज्यादा होगा, only 1 करोगे तो ज्यादा होगा, 17 करोगे तो एक और 1 use करना पड़ेगा. तो that is the optimal solution. और कोई chance ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. Let's take another one. That is 281. थोड़ा लंबा operations होगा यहाँ पे because the number is larger. 289. 5 coins are there. 100. So always start with the maximum. And if not possible, then you can check for the another way. 10, 5 and 1. For the, you can use 100, 100, 200, then 25, 25, 25, 50 and 75 and 10, okay, and 1, 1, 1. Okay, so how many coins here? 6 and 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 coin for 289. Getting? So try to same case which is given into the practical and कोई और भी try करना, online देखना कि different possibilities क्या है, and then perform and then put the screenshot. Same नहीं होगा तो भी चलेगा screenshot में. So clear what you have to do and then write the conclusion that की coin change problem and what you had get as output. right? So add this thing. Clear? See, अभी मैंने सिर्फ अंडरस्टैंड किया, सिर्फ थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेन किया है, बट दैट इज ऑल्सो इन अ डीप, और दैट विच विल बी कन्वे बाय दी हर्षिल जोशी सर, राइट? सो वो एग्जांपल कराएंगे क्लास में, बिकॉज अभी हम आगे चल रहे हैं, बेसिकली उनको क्लास में खत्म होना चाहिए, देन यू हैव टू परफॉर्म, बट अभी रिवर्स हो रहा है, सो दैट्स फाइन. तो क्या है कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी, कैसे हो रही है जनरेट, सो सर विल बी एक्सप्लेन यू. ओके, तो आई होप कि नेक्स्ट टाइम नेपसेक हो जाएगा. अगर नेपसेक नहीं होगा तो आई विल एक्सप्लेन नेपसेक ऑल्सो, and then after yeah, one more thing, we have online, there is a one tool which is known as HackerRank. Wait for, aware about HackerRank?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to log in that. Okay, make a just a second, make your account, sign up in that, and there are different problems which is given in that dashboard. Wait, I'll show you. तो उसमें लॉग इन कर देना. आई हैव नो माय अकाउंट और मुझे जरूरत नहीं है, बट यू हैव टू लॉग इन दैट. सी, दिस इज द HackerRank डैशबोर्ड. साइन अप कर देना, देन यू कैन डू एबल टू लॉग इन. then after we'll do some additional practical in that. So you, after that you have to go for the algorithms, and in algorithms you can see that, yeah, here we have a greedy approach. See, visible or not, right? So already searching wala is done. So you see that different problem is given, you have to solve this. So this is very good. If I'm talking about greedy, so here the greedy problems are given. So this cakewalk, greed challenge, so everything is given to you, problem is given over here. आप login करोगे तो आ जाएगा, ये रहा, right? Okay, you have to understand and the make a program for that. Output is given, explanation is given, right? So login in that. फिर मैं उस सभी नहीं करेंगे, मुझे जो रिलेवेंट लगेगा, तो मैं आपको एक और दो प्रोग्राम इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए बोलूंगी इन HackerRank. गेटिंग? तो वो एडिशनल भी होगा और दैट इज वेरी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू, बिकॉज ये प्रैक्टिकल तो है, बट ये रियल टाइम के सिनेरियो के साथ वेरी कनेक्टेड है. सो सारे नहीं करेंगे, अगर पीडी में से एक दो ले रहे हैं, डायनेमिक में से एक दो ले रहे हैं, तो वी आर डूइंग एडिशनल दैट, एडिशनल प्रोग्राम ऑल्सो. ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. अभी 2:30 तक मेकिंग चेंज खत्म कर दो. ओके, देन acknowledge in chat box, then you after that you mail you. और मैंने सारे वीक के फोल्डर बना दिए, उसमें अपलोड कर देना. Now start working. Yes, Irfan, now you mail you. All of you mail you. Okay, make sure you complete this and submit within 2 days, and please submit previous practical also, right? Okay, thank you. Now you may